When I think about my childhood, growing up on a farm, I see where I gained an appreciation for local agriculture and the lifestyles that surround it. I never questioned where my food came from. We're a first-generation farm here in Uxbridge, Ontario. I'm leading up the next generation with my CSA program. What that stands for is community-supported agriculture. So what it is a share program supplying weekly fruits and vegetables to families sourced from local Ontario growers and our own farm. So how it works is members pledge their support to the farm at the start of the season. We then take those funds and reinvest them into things like seeds, equipment, and fertilizer. And for 18 weeks out of the season, we supply them with a share of the harvest. It's a great way to support local agriculture and to just enjoy all that the Ontario growing season has to offer. What the program is designed for, and what I really love about teaming up with other local producers, is providing that same experience to families that I had growing up. My name's Daniel Forsythe, and I'm the owner of Forsythe Farm CSA.